Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Dinstar GSM Gateway with your Grandstream UCM and any asterisk PBX server. So when there are easy setup, this quick setup will guide you to connect with your UCM or asterisk server. But I will show you the main thing which you require to configure your UCM with Dinstar or any asterisk IP PBX. I'm going to use IP to IP trunk without authentication. So we have to go to configuration, SIP configuration. This you have to configure your UCM IP address here. Let me log in. This is my UCM IP address. You can see here, and VIP trunks, and this is my Dinstar GSM Gateway for testing. Okay, and this is my Dinstar IP address. You can see here, sorry, here, Dinstar. So the main thing is you have to configure here the IP address of your UCM PBX. UCM PBX or any asterisk or any IP to IP configuration. You are going to making a trunk with which server or IP PBX. Nothing you have to change here anything. Here is the important thing. All port register use same user ID. I have done no because I want to use every SIM with another DID numbers. I want to send calls. Any SIM is coming with a call, it should go to like I'll show you, go to the another extension number, and second SIM will come to call will come to, it will go to second extension, third extension, like that. I will show that you. So I have kept no because I'm going to use IP to IP registration separation. Okay, here we don't have to change anything, it will be same. Now SIP trunk configuration, we will configure a trunk with our UCM. This is a small configuration. Okay, SIP trunk group we have not done. Port configuration very important. Here what I am doing, any call is coming to the SIP, any call is coming on the SIM 1, it will go to DID number this one, and SIM 2 it will go to this DID number, and SIM 3 it will go to this DID number. Okay, you can understand here, like I will show you inbound routes. See, any call coming to this DID, which here I have configured 40891, this one. Any call coming on a SIM 1, it will go to this DID number, which is configured here. Here you can see, and I will show you, and it will go to the extension number 5100. I will show you any SIP coming, and I'm forwarding to extension 5100. Okay, and the same thing, any call is coming to this number, it is going to extension 5101. This 5101 extension I have registered with the VC dial for call centers VC dial testing for inbound and outbound calls. Okay, this is here. Okay, now you can understand how I have configured. Okay, now port group configuration. Here I have configured, I have 2 SIMs only, so I have configured like this. I'm not resisting to anywhere. So digit map we don't require. IP, this is very important, IP to tel routing or tel to IP routing. Here what I'm doing, any call coming from 5100 extension, it will go to SIM, it will go to port group 63. Okay, source here, because here I have given the prefix. This is very important. Destination prefix, when any call, source prefix you can understand from IP to tel we are talking about. Okay, so any call from extension number 5100, it will use the SIM which is configured on port 63. Okay, and now IP tel to IP routing, any call coming, I will show you. Okay, I have configured any call coming, you can go to anyone, because any SIM, both SIM. But here you can configure source prefix and destination prefix. Any call going to the particular destination, it will go through this one, or we can change here. Okay, here we don't need to change anything. Here we are not doing anything. Here is very important. When you are using the IVR and asking to press 1 2 3 4, sometimes it is not working. So this is very important. DTMF method, you have to use RFC 2833, then it will work, otherwise it will not work. It will press the button, you will listen the tone, but the IVR will not work, your menu will not work. This is very important. Okay, and under this one I will show one thing, and VoIP trunks, Dinstar GSM. I will show the configuration of the trunk. Here I have given the GSM Gateway IP address, and nothing need to be changed anything, but in advance we have to choose the codec. This is 6 codec, it's very important. And here pass through AEI header, and this is very important, enable heartbeat detection. If you will not enable this one, your trunk will not come up, it will show dead. And I'll show you here. Here it will show you blue means is working, available, and it will show red if you will not do that. Okay, this is very important, otherwise you would not be able to make a call and receive a call through this Dinstar GSM Gateway from your UCM. Okay, thank you for your watching. If you feel this is informative, please subscribe my channel or comment for anything what you want to learn from Dinstar and Grandstream. Thank you.